Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today for you I'm doing some kind of random, super simple and easy to do nail art. I'm using two shades that I recently posted in my Eternal Cosmetics or Eternal Nail Polish video. So I'm using these shades called Flamingo and Romance. So Flamingo is the orange one and Romance is the corally one. First up, what I am doing is I am basically blocking off half of my nail with one of the polishes. By doing this, I'm not doing it with straight lines because I didn't want the pressure of a straight line. For this, I actually did kind of just like a wavy line, and it is not consistent over all of my nails. I just kind of went with the flow and however the brush wanted to go. And then the other half I'm going to fill in with the other color. So you could do this in so many different color combinations. I just chose these because I'm really into this kind of combo recently, and it just looked like a fun thing to do. So with these polishes specifically, the brushes are pretty easy to work with, and it made this a little bit easier than maybe a really thin brush. So you kind of maybe want to think about the type of brush that you're using and the polish that you're using for this sort of design. Or if not, and you're having issues, you can just kind of do what you can, and then you can fill in the empty space that you couldn't quite get with the nail polish brush with a dotting tool, which you guys are going to actually see me do when we go and do the corally shade. I did need to do about 2 coats of the orange to reach full coverage, and it was really easy to do. It came together pretty quick, and I really kind of love how this manicure turned out because it is so easy, and I feel like this is also kind of like a hint towards some Halloween like feels when it comes to nail art. You could totally do like orange and black and you would have instant Halloween nail art. So keep that in mind because the second part is you could easily pair with white. Anyway, now I'm doing the corally part, and as you guys can see up there at the top, like towards my cuticle, there's a little gap, and I didn't want to use the brush, so I just used a little dotting tool and I kind of touched the cuticle a little bit, so I used a little tool to kind of clean it up. Which, by the way, if you didn't see me cleaning up my nails like while I was doing them in this video, I've recently discovered a tool that I've had forever and that I used in a video this summer that's kind of like a silicone nail art pen, I believe is what it's called, and it's really great for just like cleaning up around the cuticle really quickly, and then you just wash it off with your nail polish remover and it comes off instantly. No need to put any acetone on your skin, which is great. And then after you have all of the wave parts done, I just went in and did little clusters of elongated dots. I did 2 to 3 depending on where I placed them on the nail. Had some going off the edge, of course. And that was basically it for this design. It was super easy. And I really like how it came out and I enjoyed wearing them. And if you're wondering, for these elongated dots, I am using the What's Up Nails Dance 24 brush, which is small, perfect, and just super easy to use and worked really well for these dots. After this part, of course you want to let it dry so you don't have any smearing when you apply your top coat. But then you want to apply your choice of top coat. Today I went with a shiny one, and I have been really enjoying the Glisten and Glow top coat recently because it dries super fast and I have zero patience for things to dry lately. So that has been my go-to. And that is it for this manicure. Like I said, really easy, really kind of quick, and so many color combination options are available with this sort of design. So you can see what I meant earlier by like if you did orange and black, it would be really cool because then you could do the white dots on top and it'd be instant Halloween. And if you're a Halloween person, that's like perfect. So I think that is officially it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you are enjoying this. You're staying in, staying safe, and I know there's a lot going on in the world, so I really do hope you guys are staying safe from the fires, to the hurricanes, to COVID. There's just so many things. So I hope you can take a little break, do something fun for yourself to kind of escape. And yeah, that is officially it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!